Have you ever wondered which spelling pattern to use for the sound ow? Today we're going to learn the reasons we use OW and OU. Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to a phonics lesson learning ow. So let's have a look at the first word. Cow. K, ow, so that's at the end. OW. Cow. House. H, ow, s, house. So house is OU because it ends with an S, and we always have the E if a noun has an S sound at the end unless it's a plural. For example, if I was to say cows, we would put the S on there. But because it's house, singular, it's SE with the OU spelling. Let's read some words then. My turn, your turn. OW, ow. Cow. Owl. Gown. G, ow, n, gown. Ow, owl. K, ow, cow. Cow, owl, gown. Here's some more words. Brown, crown, clown. So there's some consonant blends. Cull, ow, n, clown. Cr, ow, n, crown. Br, ow, n, brown. So you can see that OW usually has L or N at the end. Ow, OW. Let's look at some more. This time we're looking at OU. Ow, house, mouse, blouse. Bull, ow, s, blouse. Ow, s, mouse. Ow, s, house. Cloud, mouth. Count. K, ow, nt. Consonant blend at the end. K, ow, nt. Count. Ow, th. Mouth. That's a digraph. Consonant digraph at the end. Ow, th. Mouth. Consonant blend. Cl, ow, d. Cloud. So you can see there the OU, ow, usually has the SE at the end, D, d, or a consonant blend or a digraph, a double as I would say, a double at the end. So let's look at some of these words then. Ow. I'll let you read them. Well done if you did read them. I'll read them, maybe then you can repeat. Town, frown, flower, cow, down, howl, owl, owl, clown and crown. Okay, what letter sounds is at the end of these words? So mostly we've got the N or the L. Usually N and L are at the end of OW words. Ow. Let's look at the other spelling. OU. Your turn. Let's read some words. Well done. My turn. Repeat. Ground, mouse, mound, hour, mountain, mouth, lounge, house, loud, fountain, flower. What do you notice about the ending in these words? So we've got nd, d, we've got the SE, nd, and we've got the R. We've got digraphs at the end. We've got the letter D. Got lots of digraphs at the end and the letter R. So usually when it's an OU spelling, we've got R and D at the end of the word. Many have doubles at the end, so consonant blends, nd or f or j, lounge. So OU are consonant blends or R and D at the end. Your turn now. Let's have an activity. OU or OW? Here's your pictures. I'll tell you the words. Cow, owl, cloud, brown. What's missing? I want you to use the box below and write these words because I haven't put any answers in. Which spelling is right? Write your spellings in the comments box below and I will let you know if you're right. What about these ones? Crown, gown, mouth, blouse. Again, there is the words that is needed for these pictures. What is the right spelling of ow? Write your words down in the comments box below and I will let you know what they are. Which spelling pattern is it? Ow or ow? Clown, mouth, owl, house. Which spelling pattern is for clown? Clown, so that ends with an N, so it must be the OW. Mouth, oh, so that ends with a digraph, that's a double, so it's not the OW, it's the OU, mouth. Next one, owl, oh, that ends with an L, so it must be the OW. House, okay, so it's not plural, so it can't be OW with a plural. House, there's only one house. House, S-E, it must be the O-U. Which sentences match the pictures? Here's the first one. The cloud is white and grey, or the clown has green leaves. So look at the picture. The clown has green leaves. Now it's your turn. Look at the picture. Which sentence matches the picture? Here's the two sentences for those who can't read yet. The boy counts the frogs, or the boy points to the flags. Which one's correct? The boy counts the frogs. Here's another sentence and picture. Read the words carefully. Which one matches the picture? The blouse is on the bed. The crown is under the bed. Here's the next one. The prince has a brown gown. The prince is in a brown house. Okay, which one matches then? The crown is under the bed. The prince has a brown gown. Let's read. I'll say a sentence and then you can say one. The clown has a crown. The clown has a crown. He sits on the brown house. He sits on the brown house. He counts the clouds. He counts the clouds. Well done if you've read those. Nice job. Now, as an extra reward, what I've got for you is a nice little link. And if you click on that link, or you can copy and paste it into your URL, it's a nice little game that will distribute the differences between the OU and the OW words. That is all we have for today's class. I hope you've had a lovely time learning the differences between the OU and the OW sounds in words. If you did like it, please give it a like and subscribe for more. See you again real soon.